how to change Google account on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your Google account on Android. It's quick and easy, so now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And now here, once you are inside the settings, simply scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on Google. And now here, once you are in the Google services, at the top you see your current account name and email address. So just tap on it, and after that a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu you can see all your accounts. So you can simply select the account which you want to change to, but if you don't have account, you can simply add another one by tapping on add another account, and here you can simply select Google, and after that you can simply authenticate yourself by putting the password right here, and you can put your email and verify it yourself by putting the password right here. But I don't need to do that, so I'm going to simply go back, and here I'm going to simply select the account from the list, and once I've done that, I've been successfully switched to another Google account. And that's it. That's how you can change Google account on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.